Up for the recipe for Captain Tom's Easy Lazy Man's Fried Okra in the air fryer. I'll use a liner in the air fryer. Add just a little bit of mayonnaise, that's about 3/4 of a teaspoon, and some hot sauce. A cup of frozen okra, and stir it with the mayonnaise and hot sauce. Coat it with the mayonnaise aioli mixture. It's time to put into the seasoning bag. Just place it in with the bread coating, and I inflate the bag with a little bit of air, tie it off at the top, and shake it around until it's all coated. Any excess breading and put it in the air fryer. (400 degrees) and 15 minutes. Mark, you want to open it up and shake them around a little bit. And shake them around and stir them a little bit and put them back in the heat. There you have it. Bon appetit.